are this morning. Me and the boys at it again. Suburban Hunt 365. Fixing to hit the water, do the whole crappie thing. Tell them what time it is.
Morning, crappie time in Tennessee.
Crappie time in Tennessee. Got the Adonis. I get to do a little of my own camera guy while he's doing my work, which is nice. We got the woods and water guys out here. He's got his winner of whoever won what to go fishing with him. We may not be that pretty or that special, but we're smart. We're smart fellers. So today's a big day, 365 on the lake. We're here February 26th. Today is my wife's birthday. Happy birthday, Ashley. Thanks for letting me get out here and get this done this morning.
Thanks for letting him come, too.
Yeah, well, these guys love you. Got that honeydew list done yesterday. She got a gift, too. She's going to get that good lasagna I made, homemade. It's going to be good today.
We're going to wear them out.
Plan, ain't it, my friend? That's the plan.
We're going to wear them out. That's the goal. We're going to get 60 fish.
60 fish. Y'all heard it right here. He's calling his shot. He's calling his shot. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully, they're all keepers. Hopefully.
That's right.
But, you know, I know. We don't get skunked. It ain't always keepers. That's the key, right? So here we are today, babies. Right back where we do it, Jefferson. Water's still pretty low. A little, about 2 foot, 3 foot higher than it was last time we was out here 2 weekends ago. Weather's nice, just slight wind, about 45 right now. Supposed to jump up to about 55, 60, I think, today.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put this rig together and get it on the water. We see all the other men. See, it's that time. They showing up earlier and earlier. They know stuff we know. But I tell you what they don't know. Lines tight, bullets right. That's what they don't know. Tell them, boys. Stay with us. 365.
That's awesome. I'm glad I come back here.
They want me to put them cat daddies in that right there. That's something. Look at that. Elastic. Come on. Get him on over in there. Get him on in there. Look at that cat daddy boy. Look at that, what I tell you.
What do you have to say about this?
Go!
That's what a true stack is right there, y'all. A true stack. See them stack?
Back up so you can see it.
Ooh, man, right there, Paw.
And we're going to put it.
That's what they should look like.
I got it.
Get him in there. Get him in there. Look at there.
There we go. Little one.
Put one in the box. Cameraman Jersey Dave got him for me while I was piddling with another pole. That's why we gotta have him. Be more than a minute, man. I can promise you that. But he's out here starting to do a little sprinkle on us. Trying to try to button up a little bit, catch another fish before we start moving. Our local Southern Woods and Water men were out here. A shout out to them. They are somebody that everybody around here should know. We have followed them for years. Mr. Hugh passed away. That's what we was just talking about, how all that went down. So it's just good to be part of this like kind mind type of men. We really do what we do because we love it. And a lot of people think, oh, you're just fishing, and they don't know what we go through. It's a lot of work to make this happen, to have the fun and to do what we love to do.
the poo ball.
That's a slab, boy. It's a slab. Look at that. Look there, son.
Beauty. That's a nice one there.
Slab video right there. Listen here, y'all. We love our fishing. We have our tradition. Right here. You don't go wrong with them. That is a bus on the boat. He caught a fish. That Donna said, I'm fixing to call a fish up. Popped a pork right in his mouth. Oh, chicharron went crunch, and the fish went pop. 10.5 incher. You can't beat that. It's got to be some juju to it.
Scott.
Oh, he did it. He doubled two. He did it.
He did it.
Oh my gosh, he did it. He doubled down.
On one rod, got 2 fish.
One rod, 2 fish. One at least a keeper?
Yeah, one's a nice.
Oh, that's a pig there.
And that's 4 fish in a row. We got 1 on that rod, 1 on that rod, 2 on this rod.
I see it.
I don't know. That's such hammer. Oh my God. Big old spot.
Slab, baby. Slabber is what he does.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna have to sit there and fish, bro. Got a shot on him. Suburban Hunt 365 at the back of the boat. Not much action lately. Not complaining. We've been in 17 foot of water. At 58 degrees. Warming up a little bit. We come on up past the bridge from where we were sitting. Tom's caught one good big poo-bye. Dave's back here struggling. That's all right. That's what you get when you catch all the fish in the morning time. That were keepers of size. Weather's turning out right, a little cloudy. I think they said it's supposed to be a lot of wind tomorrow. Thank goodness we ain't fishing tomorrow, we're fishing now. So always, you know, just trying to catch a few, put them in the box, make it what it is. We love what we do. Uh-oh, did you get one? Are you double hung? Yeah, better not be mine, I'm gonna be mad. Is it yours?
Must be yours.
Is that my double rig? It's my double rig, dude. How did you get all the way back on my stuff?
Man, this is my front rod too.
How in the hell did you do that?
So you must have had a fish come swim into me or something.
I must have had the captain of the boat spin me around.
Crappie time. Actually, it's a sandwich time.
Stop, give him the stick. All right, got off the lake. Good day today. Weather's turning out nice. Good crappie morning. I can honestly say we had a lot of 9.5s. If they would have been in the box, it'd have been full. We caught some good ones. Got to give a shout out to these young bucks out here crappie fishing. They say just watch the video. We putting them on the spot where we came from. Ain't got no shame in our game. A lot of water. We can fish everywhere. So we're gonna see what we got in the box. If Tom could ever get it. Hey, look, once again, we need to get somebody to sponsor that for us, young man right here. Sucker's his favorite net.
Had it for 30 years, 25 years. I can't get another one.
It looks as old as he does.
Last one.
It's about a dozen crappie and then 2 yellows. Can't go wrong. Suburban Hunt 365 is what we do. Keep watching us. We're going to keep telling you, keep showing you. It's just what we do, man.
Do it well.
And do it well. For the Adonis, for Tebow, Captain Salamone, for El Guapo. Got your fish for you right here, people. Always. Hit, like, subscribe, lines tight, bullets right. Bam! There it is, right there. Suburban Hunt 365.
Ow. Look here. Yeah.
Now you got a fix.
Do something.